Luca Pacioli might have popularised the double entry method, but the history of accounting goes all the way back to 3000 BC in Mesopotamia. In fact, it might be said that the oldest examples of writing we have are actually financial statements. Clay tablets inscribed with cuneiform, which is like hieroglyphics, were found in the ruins of the ancient city of Uruk. The cuneiform was indecipherable to the archaeologists. They couldn't work out what the symbols were meant to represent. It was only in the 1970s when Denise Schmant-Besserat linked the tablets to small clay tokens of common commodities, like loaves of bread and earthenware. She theorised that the symbols were depicting jars and cattle, and the stamps next to them showed the amount of these items that had passed through into a warehouse. Fast forward 3,000 years and the Roman Empire is in full swing. Money-minded ruler Augustus wrote an ancient version of a LinkedIn post entitled "The Deeds of the Divine Augustus." In it, he details the generous gifts he provided his subjects and the exact amounts of these gifts. Augustus's attention to detail led him to write one of the first accounts of public revenue. But the big development was double entry bookkeeping. The system isn't new, even Genghis Khan knew about it. However, Luca Pacioli is often considered the father of modern accounting, at least in the West. In 1494, he wrote a textbook describing double entry bookkeeping and provided examples that took Europe by storm. Later, modern accountancy can be seen developing in Britain. Along with the Industrial Revolution, trade was becoming more globalised, and for good or ill, accountants kept it all in check. By the 1900s, the work of an accountant was directly comparable to the work we do today. Albeit, there were less Excel functions back then, and you couldn't do your CPD online.